everybody, I'm Stephanie from Magnesium Media. Welcome back to my channel. I am sitting inside one of the coolest cars ever, okay? Most famous cockpit, do you recognize it? Knight Rider, people. This is Kitt from Knight Rider. This vehicle is actually one of the many cars that they used in the show. This is very surreal for me. I grew up watching Knight Rider. It was just amazing. And you know, I was sitting here and I'm thinking to myself, it's amazing because if you see this, if you see the dash, you see all the lights, all the buttons, right? Lights and buttons. And I, as a kid, I was mesmerized by this. It was so awesome. It was so cool. And you think about kids now and they need like bells and whistles and flips and turns and everything for them to even like blink, right? But this was like everything. This was everything. Look at the steering wheel. I want to tell you, first off, this is signed by George Barris. He created this car. He also created the Batmobile. He signed it there. Okay. Now, if you're sitting now, what year did Knight Rider come out? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that, but it was definitely in the 80s. Okay. Look at the steering wheel. This was so futuristic for when Knight Rider came out. That's what made it so cool. He could do anything, and he's even got an eject button. He's got an eject left over here. He's got an eject right over here. Turbo boost, rocket boost, okay? Rocket boost, smoke release, laser, silent mode. I'm curious how we go on silent mode. But anyway, I mean, I'm a button pusher. I love pushing buttons. I was told I can push anything I want. So I would sit here and just like push buttons while I'm driving. Pursuit button, power button, all of this. This is just amazing. There's so much cool stuff in here. And up here, look, more buttons. I have no clue what they do. I think that says intensity, tracking, and I don't have my glasses on. I don't know what that says.
DVD
player right here. I'm not sure what this one is.
Yep, you can see auto. You see the car rotating on there?
Oh, is that what it's
doing?
Yeah,
see that? The car change. See that? You can see it on camera though.
Form.
Yep. You can see
I see it moving, but I don't know if it's moving to the buttons.
No.
I'm not sure. But this is just like, this is my childhood. I grew up watching this like all the time. It was one of the shows to watch. I wonder what this button would do.
That was just the Knight logo.
Oh, okay.
That's what it was. Yep. Knight Industries.
Here we got power, mini RPM, fuel on, igniters, auto cruise, normal cruise, pursuit. I need a pursuit button in my car.
So think about it. How many cars today have stuff that they saw in Knight Rider? How many car designers that grew up watching Knight Rider and then all of a sudden decided, hey, you know what? I saw this in Knight Rider. Let's make this a realistic thing, and then brought it to life. Like, for example, voice command.
Yep.
Every car has it today, but it didn't have it in the 80s. Now we got voice command. And then also navigation.
Yep.
You know, so many things that we thought were so cool, now we have in all our cars.
I know,
Bluetooth.
But we do not have eject buttons.
Yeah, true that.
I mean, I think eject buttons would be good because if you could foresee an accident about to happen, you eject yourself before you hit.
I think most men would like to get an eject button for the passenger seat.
Well, that's just rude. That's just rude.
Just kidding.
Okay?
I would never. I love you.
But no, in all seriousness, I think eject buttons would be good. Oh, there's hold on, which one? I definitely need a rocket boost in my truck, and I would kill for a laser. Now, is it like a slightly maiming laser, or is it a, laser?
Why don't we talk about the Easter egg right behind you?
That Easter egg?
Yeah. Tell them to watch the video.
That one?
If they haven't watched the video yet.
Yeah, if you haven't watched it, what are you doing? That right there.
Ecto 1.
Ecto 1. We did a whole YouTube video on that. Make sure you watch it. It's really awesome. I have so many more coming your way as well. Don't forget.
So, are we taking this for a drive?
I guess we got to get to Coda.
Yep. All right. Let's go for a ride.
All right. Let's go for a ride. Oh my God, I can't reach the pedals. Hold on. I feel the move thing for the back. Oh, I feel it. Okay. drive all the way? Okay. Ooh. Which way do I go?
T-tops.
This is awesome.
Hey! What do you do for a living?
Oh, I work for Knight Industries and I save the world for a living.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I see your car?
Yeah, sure.
Looks kind of familiar.
Her name is Kitt.
It's a her?
Her.
It used to be a he.
Well,
It transitioned?
in the middle of the road.
Can you back this thing in?
You back that thing up.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I gotta move up a little bit first. It's weird to get a grasp on the steering wheel. Okay. It's weird when you don't have a steering wheel. How'd I do?
You got it in the lines.
See, that's all that's necessary. Anyway, Elon must have been a Knight Rider fan growing up because now he's putting yolks in all his vehicles too.
They put them in eggs too.
Well, they come in eggs. They don't put them in. Okay, hold on. It's tight because I had to move the seat up so far to touch the pedals. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Oh, my knees don't touch. But if like you sat up there, I'd be like, you know? Comfy little bucket seat. I was just saying, when's the last time you saw carpet on the doors? Right? Down here on the other side? Long time ago. And this vehicle is 42 years old. I think it looks pretty damn good for 42 years old. You know, I guess a lot of people won't get it, but people from my generation and around there will definitely get it. This is a car that you stop and stare at. It's something that you grew up watching, you grew up loving, and no matter how old you are, whenever you see this car, you'll just be like in amazement. It's what is that called?
Nostalgia.
Nostalgic. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
It's nostalgic. I was a kid, many years that I watched Knight Rider growing up. I never thought that I would be next to or driving one of the cars from the show that David Hasselhoff himself drove. Pretty cool. If you were a watcher of Knight Rider, what feature did you like the best? What did you think was the coolest? Like, I think for me, it would be the rocket boost, or what was the other one I really liked? Eject. Oh, eject. I would love eject. But what is your favorite option? What was your favorite option growing up? What did you look at and say, oh, I wish I had that in my car. That'd be so cool. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hey, don't forget to go check out. I have Ecto-1, the vehicle from Ghostbusters. I have the Land Speeder from Star Wars and the Flintstone Mobile from the Flintstones. All different YouTube videos and more coming your way. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow, subscribe, like, and share. See you soon.
Perfect.
Bye.